While camping, the site indeed gets dirty with all the trash we carry, such as food packets and fruit peels, and therefore a camping trash can is convenient as it stores all the garbage while keeping the site as neat as before. Therefore, in today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 best collapsible trash cans for camping designed to store all of your garbage. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
As the name suggests, the logo brand's New England Patriots Collapsible 3-in-1 is a versatile camping trash can that can be one solution to several problems of yours. Apart from pushing your trash in it, this trash can be used in several ways. For instance, if you need somewhere to put your food to remain cool, it's got you covered. You can use it like a cooler for your food. And if you need a basket to dump all your laundry, this can be your laundry hamper too. Made from polyester, this garbage can hold approximately 13 gallons of trash, which is more than enough for your day-long camping needs. Besides, its collapsible design and attached carry handle enhance your ability for easy transportation so that you can easily carry it with you. Overall, the logo brand's New England Patriots Collapsible 3-in-1 is your reliable option as it boasts a multifunctional design that sets it apart from all of its competitors. Designed to keep your campsite as clean as before, the Camp Chef Collapsible Garbage Can is an excellent camping trash can that is a perfect option for your weekend camping desires. It is made from polyethylene and metal coil reinforcements, which makes this feature an easy and straightforward spring-loaded setup to keep your trash inside. Besides, its 35-gallon capacity can easily hold an ample amount of garbage so that you can have a tidy campsite. Besides, this collapsible trash can features a zippered lid that makes sure the garbage remains inside even if you carry the bag with its dual carry handles. When not needed, just collapse this 26-inch trash can and toss it inside your camping bag. Trash belongs to the garbage can, not on the campsite, and for that reason, the Camp Chef Collapsible Garbage Can is a great option that can offer ample storage to collect all the unnecessary elements. A trash can that is lightweight and convenient when it comes to keeping all of your trash away from your campsite, this Stansport Collapsible Recycle Can is precisely that. Constructed from polyethylene and spring steel for additional strength, this highly convenient trash can assure you that your trash will remain in place. How about the capacity? Well, it can hold up to 33 gallons, making it a super piece of camping tool for your assurance. Although it has got a large capacity, it is pretty easy to carry due to its 2 polyester web carry handles, which are very robust and comfortable. And for your enhanced convenience, this trash can also features a zippered top flap that keeps all the garbage sealed inside. Take the Stansport Collapsible Recycle Can with you to any of your next outings and experience its enhanced functionalities for the ultimate ease. Perfect for all of your cleaning needs while camping, the Fiskars HardShell Bottom Kangaroo will be your reliable companion no matter whether you are keeping dry leaves of your campsite or trash those beer cans. It features an outstanding and innovative design that allows this 26-inch bag to be folded away into a 3-inch storage bag. Its internal springs pop it back to its standard size, enhancing its functionality. Plus, its HardShell base ensures that it can withstand high impact, and the construction, for that it features a tear and mildly resistant vinyl-coated polyester for the ultimate durability. Carrying this 30-gallon trash can is extremely easy as this features sturdy handles for enhanced mobility. Take it anywhere, drag it on any surface, it'll remain as sturdy as it is supposed to, bringing the convenience of tidiness in the shape of a trash can. The Fiskars HardShell Bottom Kangaroo is made to keep your campsite as clean as your house. A handy option to keep your campsite clean and tidy, the Deluxe Pop-Up Camp Trash Can from Coghlan brings you the ultimate convenience of storage in the shape of a lightweight design. Designed to stand durable against all odds, no matter dragging abrasion or animal attacks, this trash can is constructed from durable 600D polyester. And for additional storage options to keep your cleaning gloves in, there are 2 pockets for your betterment. At an approximate volume of 29.5 gallons, this trash can features 4 interior edge clips that allow for you enhanced security. Besides, you can conveniently carry this bag in full volume with its 2 longer nylon web handles. Great for any camping needs, whether that's car camping or just seasonal camping in your nearest national park. The Coghlan's Deluxe Pop-Up Camp Trash Can offer ample storage to keep away all of your waste so that you can have a clean and tidy campsite. So that was all about the 5 best collapsible trash cans for camping. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.